A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope that you all are fit and fine at home. Okay, so let's start today's computer class. Today I'm going to continue chapter 2, Windows Movie Maker. Okay, in this chapter, some points I have already shared, the video I shared on Saturday. Okay, so we discussed about what is Windows Movie Maker and its features, and how to start Movie Maker, and about components of Windows Movie Maker. Then I explain you that how you can add photos and videos in Movie Maker. Okay, next topic in this chapter is uploading photos and video clip from Android phone. Means if you want to import any file means images, video clips, or any movie you want to import from your mobile phone to the Movie Maker. So how you can do this? Okay, listen to me carefully. First of all, you have to connect your smartphone with computer. Okay, so use USB cable for that. Connect your mobile phone with computer and then click on the unlock mode. Okay, as you will click on unlock, so your mobile contents will be visible. Okay, now open Movie Maker where you want to import the files from your Android phone. Okay, click on Movies Maker and then click on File menu. Okay, File menu here. First you will open connect your mobile phone, then you will open Movie Maker, click on File menu and then choose the Import from Device option. As you will click on this option, then you have to choose the device from which you want to import the files. Okay, so select your mobile phone and select photos and videos that you want to import. Okay, and then this kind of one message will appear that photos and videos will be imported into photos gallery. So click on OK in that message. Okay, after that this window will appear. Okay, import photos and videos window will appear. So click on the second radio button, import all new items now. Click on this button and click on next. Okay, so as you will do so all the photos and videos will be imported into photos gallery in Movie Maker. Okay, you can see your contents like this. Okay, after doing this you can also share the contents as on storyboard. So for that, click on the create tab. Okay, first click on create tab and then choose movie option from share group if you want to share it. Okay, so from here your selected videos and photos will be added to the storyboard, or you can directly save your movie. Okay, now next option is adding audio files. So how to add an audio file in Movie Maker, how you can insert an audio file. Okay, so for this you need to follow some instructions, like click on the home tab first here on this page. Click on the home tab, is here, it is here. Click on the home tab. As you will click on this home tab, so these options will appear. These many options. Add videos and photos, add music. So click on add music option, and if you want to record narration, to click on this option, record narration option. Okay, so for adding music only, click on this add music option. Okay, after clicking on this add music option, one dialog box will appear. See, this add music box will appear. So from this box you can add music. First locate the file which you want to add and then click on open option. Okay, locate the file wherever you have that music file which you want to add in your clip. So just locate that file and click on open button. Okay, open button, here it is given, this one. Click on this button, so selected file will be inserted in your movie. Okay, next, how you can add transition in your movie. Transitions, you all have used transitions in PowerPoint. It is also same here. You can add effects like how the particular movie clip will come with this particular effect, which effect you want to add for the entrance of particular clip, for the exit of particular clip. Okay, so for this, first you have to click on the animation tab. There you will find this list of animation. You can choose. Okay, diagonal, dissolve, pattern, shape, these all kind of transitions you can choose. Okay, and you can apply it on one clip, or you can apply it to the all. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so this is how you can add transitions. And there is one option for applying visual effects, like in smartphone, as the way we apply different kinds of filters on any photo. Okay, see, look at this picture, black and white, gray shade, and all means increased brightness, increasing the brightness, adjusting the brightness or darkness of the picture. These all are visual effects. Okay, so you can add visual effects. Okay, click on visual effect tab directly given here. Here is the visual effect tab. As you click on this tab, all these kinds of effects will appear. You can choose the effect directly, and you can apply it to the particular or all. Okay, from here you can adjust the brightness. Okay, and from here you can apply the effect. Okay, you can also create mirror effect. Okay, you can choose black and white pictures, you can choose more brighter picture, you can choose gray shade pictures. Okay, and you can play the inserted effect in your movie. Okay, you can also apply multiple effects to a single clip. Just select the effects, one or more effect which you want to apply. Okay, and if you want to remove any effect, so you can remove by selecting the none option. As you will click here on this drop down arrow here, this more drop down arrow, you will click on this arrow, so one option will be there, none. Okay, so choose that none option and you can remove applied effect. Okay, okay, next topic is how you can add captions and credits. See, these all are very small things that you all can do easily by practicing. Okay, the problem is ki right now I am not having the particular software in my laptop and I'm not able to download it. Okay, there are some issues with the laptop, so I'm not able to download it right now. Soon I will download it and I will share the practical videos also. Okay, I will show you each and everything practically in the videos, but for understanding, you all can download it from the Play Store in your laptop, or just do Google download Windows Movie Maker free for Windows 10 and you can download it and easily you all can work on it. Okay, okay, so let's continue how you can add titles, caption and credits in your clip. So for adding titles, click on the home tab first. Okay, as you will click on home tab, so from here you have to choose the title option given here. Click on this title option. So by clicking on this option you can add titles. Second is caption option, you all can see here. Second option is caption, so from here you can add caption, and from credits you can add credits. Okay, it's just simple. The way of adding caption, titles and credit is same. Okay, so you can add it according to your choice, wherever in the clip you want to insert it, top, left, bottom, center, you can select the place according to you. Okay, by default it comes with the downward in your clip. Okay, and if you to the right corner, and if you want to change it, then you can change it according to you. Okay, see here, Okay, after inserting the title, you can set the start time, okay, and text duration, means for how long this particular title will appear. Okay, so for this you have to click on the format tab. From there you can adjust the font style, color scheme and duration of the text. Okay, click on the format tab. Okay. Okay, and for adding caption also I told you that click on the same home tab, and another option is caption here. So you can add caption by clicking on this option, and you can, here is the caption they have added here. You can write the caption on the clip. Okay, the caption it appears at the lower part of your image. Okay, and if you want to move it, then click on it and you can format it. Okay, by formatting tools, in the same way you format the title, you can format the caption also and credits also. For adding credits also, choose the same tab, home tab, and click on the credits option, and you can add credits. Okay, the way of doing all these three things is same. Okay. Okay, so in next video I will explain you that how you can rearrange media clips, and how you can trim the clips, and how you can split the clips. Okay, although it's simple, rearranging the clip is very simple. Okay, for rearranging the clips, first of all, when you insert any image or video, so it get placed at the end of the list, means it goes at the end of the clip in the timeline. Okay, so first of all, add the picture and video clips on the timeline, and as you will add them to the timeline, so it will look like this. So from here, by scrolling them forward and backward direction, you can rearrange the clips. It's simple. Okay. Okay, in the next video I will tell you how to trim media clips and how to split media clips. Okay, so that's all for today. See you all in the live class. Take care of yourselves. Bye.